Welcome to the Sage Pastel running the new Financial Report Designer and Generating Layouts tutorial. We know you're familiar with the Excel Genie and your Management Pack report, but we'd like to introduce you to the power of the new Report Designer. Before we begin, you should know that the Report Designer has replaced the Excel Genie. But don't worry, this new tool is both powerful and intuitive, and is designed to help you create your financial reports in the most efficient way. Depending on the level of control you would like in the designing of your report, the Report Designer caters for both novice and intermediate Excel users, so there is a solution for you even if you're unfamiliar with formulas. Let's have a look at our options. The Layout Generator and the Layouts tab within the task pane is the best solution for novice users who aren't as familiar with formulas in Excel. These easy-to-use tools will help you generate the reports you need in just a few clicks. For those a little more comfortable with Excel formulas, we have the task pane. With the task pane, you can maximize your control and flexibility over your report creation process by using the powerful built-in financial functions and formulas. The process on screen helps you to determine the best option for you to design reports. If you do not have an advanced knowledge of Microsoft Excel, then the Layout Generator or the Layouts option on the task pane provides an intuitive drag-and-drop interface to design reports. If, however, you do consider yourself an advanced Excel user and are familiar with Microsoft Excel formulas, then the task pane, lists and formulas tabs provide a complete solution for designing your reports using powerful financial functions and Excel functionality, giving you complete control. Remember that you can always use the Layout Generator to set up the base layout of your reports, and then use the task pane to customize it further. To access the Report Designer, run the Financial Report Designer report in the Designer folder of the Report Manager. Like all of the Sage Intelligence out-of-the-box reports, the Financial Report Designer report is locked, so be sure to make a copy of the report before beginning. If you are not familiar with this process, have a look at our Copy and Rename a Report video, which you can find in the Sage Intelligence YouTube playlist. Let me copy it quickly. All you need to do now is select the copied report and click the green Run button on the menu, and your report will load. You'll notice immediately that the report has a brand new homepage, which is simply a new Excel worksheet that includes quick links to the how-to videos, the Sage Intelligence community, and additional learning resources. Okay, let's check out what you can do in the BI Tools tab. Click on the BI Tools tab in Excel. To create a new layout from scratch, use the New Layout button. Click the button, and you will be prompted to enter a name for your layout. Once you select OK, the Layout Generator will load with a blank layout from which you can get started. This Layout Generator was formerly known as the Excel Genie, but now boasts a fresh new interface which has undergone changes to improve usability. Enhancements have been made to the generation engine, allowing the Layout Generator to run from the in-memory database, resulting in improved performance. It empowers you to easily and dynamically generate new layouts, and then simply make any required changes. We will come back here shortly. The Quick Generate button provides you with previously saved or standard layouts which you can run from the list directly into Excel. Some of the standard layouts include balance sheet, a variety of income statements, and trial balance templates. We will generate one of these layouts later in this video. To edit a previously saved or standard layout, you use the Quick Edit button. Let's have a look at how the Layout Generator appears when you edit one of these standard layouts. Let me show you what I mean. Click on the Quick Edit button and select the layout to change. For this example, I'm going to select the balance sheet. See how the Layout Generator window opens, loaded with the balance sheet layout. I'm going to close without saving. Managing layouts is as easy as clicking on the Manage Layouts button. This is where you generate, copy, and edit a previously saved or standard layout, and then customize it to your requirements. From here, you can also delete unwanted layouts. If you look to the right-hand side of the screen, you will notice the new task pane. The new Report Designer task pane offers maximum control and flexibility over report layouts. This task pane has incorporated layouts, lists, formulas, and trees, which can be used for layout creation. From the Layouts tab on the task pane, you can simply drag and drop any of the out-of-the-box layouts, or even one of your previously saved layouts, anywhere onto the worksheets area. Note that each time you do this, the layout will be generated in a new worksheet in Excel. Lists give you easy access to your chart of account information and are filtered by the company that is selected in the drop-down box you see displayed. The company selected in our example is software sales. Within the Formulas tab, you have the option of adding pre-created formulas such as opening balance, closing balance, actual year-to-date and others to your layout. These return balances from the general ledger. There is now also support for alphanumeric account number ranges. You can also define reporting trees, which allow you to filter your report data based on your company account structure. We cover reporting trees in more detail later in this video series. Coming back to generating layouts, I'm going to quickly generate an income statement, actual versus budget. We have three options that will allow you to do this. The first option is from the BI Tools tab. Click on the Quick Generate button and select your layout. The layout will be loaded into a new worksheet in Excel. The second option is also from the BI Tools tab. Click on the Manage Layouts button and click on the layout you want to generate. Then click the Generate button. The layout will once again load into a new worksheet. And the third option is from the Task pane, where you simply drag and drop the layout. We will use the same layout again in our example, from the Layouts tab into the worksheet. See how the income statement layout is created in a new worksheet. So let's sum up what you've seen in this demonstration. You saw how to run your Financial Report Designer report from the Report Manager. We introduced you to the new Home worksheet in Excel, where you can use the quick links to access the how-to videos, Sage Intelligence community, and additional learning resources. You then saw how easily you can access the layout generator using the BI Tools buttons, such as the New Layout, Quick Edit, and Manage Layout buttons. You also saw the new and improved Layout Generator user interface. We also covered the new Task pane, showing you how quickly you can drag and drop a layout into Excel to create a layout into a new worksheet. You also saw where you can find the Lists, Formulas, and Trees tabs in the Task pane. There are three ways to automatically generate a layout in the Report Designer, using the Quick Generate button, the Manage Layouts button, and the Layouts tab in the Task pane. The next video in the series will give you an overview of the Layout Generator. Feel free to connect with us on the Sage Intelligence website or the Sage Intelligence community. Just to let you know, we love feedback, so if you found this video useful, please like it and share it on your social media channels.